You are going to love the 2018 BMW 4 Series. The BMW 4 Series is a powerful machine which comes with impressive handling, upscale interiors, and it delivers on BMW's ultimate driving machine. This vehicle has less than 80,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, convertible hardtop, alloy wheels, remote keyless entry, rear window defroster, fog lights, speed control, four-wheel disc brakes, M Sport package, traction control. Experience the perfect harmony of comfort, safety, and performance